Today we're making eggnog cookies. To get started on making our eggnog cookies, we're gonna start with mixing our butter with our sugar. So I have 1 stick of butter. It's nice and soft. And we're gonna mix this in a mixing bowl with a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We'll use the hand mixer for this until it's nice and fluffy. Next, we're gonna add in our eggnog. So we have a 1/2 cup of eggnog. We have 2 egg yolks. So we'll do a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that together. Next, we're gonna slowly add in our dry ingredients. So we have 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix this, and now we'll slowly add it to our wet mixture. Now we have our mixture all ready. We're gonna spray some baking sheets. I've preheated the oven at 350. Now we're gonna scoop our mixture in like about a tablespoon onto our baking sheets. So I'm gonna use the measuring tablespoon measure so that I can ensure that they're as close to the same size as possible. Put them in a round ball. So we've taken our cookies out of the oven and they are cooling. So while they're cooling, we're gonna make our eggnog glaze. So we're gonna take 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar and we're gonna whisk that with 3 tablespoons of eggnog. We're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're gonna whisk that to make our glaze. Once your cookies have completely cooled, then you can glaze them. So we have our glaze right here. Dollop it right on top of the cookies. And now we'll let them completely cool with the glaze, and then they're ready to enjoy. For an extra festive touch, we're gonna add a little bit of white pearl sprinkles on top. Just add it right when the glaze is still wet, and they will harden up. These cookies are ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.